bad today.
No, I mean, we've got slowing out there. It could be worse.
Was it really bad this morning with the rain coming down?
Yes, it was. So it helps that we don't have that right now.
Yeah. So
It's actually not bad out right now.
Yeah, you know
Warm.
what? Tomorrow morning's commute will be a lot smoother, but you know what I bet tomorrow afternoon? You're going to be busy because the showers are going to roll back in by tomorrow afternoon. But we only have one more really batch of showers to get through, and then we have a nice little stretch of dry weather. Yeah, it's party time. Super Bowl kicks it all off. Here's a look at the time lapse from Skamania Lodge here, and you can see how the clouds have stuck close to the gorge. We even had a few showers rolling through here and there, and it's still looking pretty gray and gloomy out that way, but we're gradually going to transition out of this phase and into a sunnier one as we head into the second half of the weekend. Right now 55 degrees. Winds are coming in from the south at about 8, so there is a little bit of a breeze. It will be breezier tomorrow with this next system moving in, and it's going to be very strong winds for the coast, and I'll show you that in a second. But we really have dried things out. Just a few light showers coming out of wine country back towards Newburgh and Dayton, but moving on up to the north and east, and those will likely fizzle out before they even get into the metro area. And then back to the gorge, you can see those showers continuing to come down right along east, I-84 there heading to the east, and we'll see that continue for the next couple of hours or so. There is another system that's brewing just off the coast, and that's going to bring in the showers for the second half of tomorrow. But for the most of this evening, or the rest of this evening, we're going to see temperatures just slowly fall, low 50s down into the upper 40s by 7 o'clock. Mainly cloudy skies, mainly dry conditions. We are 14 degrees warmer in Portland compared to yesterday afternoon, so much milder temperatures for us, and we'll continue to see the milder weather really stick around, but then that big warm up kicks in early next week. Live picture from Mount Hood Meadows, and you can see the folks enjoying the fresh snow there, about 9 to 10 inches of fresh snow, and the snow is continuing to come down. It'll slowly wind down tonight, and then we'll gear up for more rain and snow as we go through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night with snow levels fluctuating. It is going to be a little bit higher level snow though, thanks to some warmer air with this next system moving through. It's also again going to crank up the winds on the coast. We have high wind watches in effect starting tomorrow morning, going until 4 p.m. all up and down the coast, up towards Astoria, where we can see winds gusting to 55 and even 60 miles an hour for the afternoon. So we'll be watching that closely. Otherwise, dealing with more rain. Here's the breakdown for tomorrow morning. Mainly cloudy in the morning, but dry for that morning commute. We head into the afternoon, and by afternoon, we'll have showers and rain developing, moving on through, heavy at times for that afternoon and evening commute. And then it all moves into the mountains where it starts off as rain, and then it transitions into snow as we go into Saturday morning as we get some colder air wrapping in behind it. And then we start off Saturday with a few lingering showers, but we dry things out Saturday afternoon. The clouds will hang tough, but we will see temperatures right around the low 50s and a fairly dry day. And then Sunday we'll wake up to some patchy fog and some low clouds, and then we're clearing that out, and we'll be watching for sunshine by Sunday afternoon, and it is going to be warm. Your forecast for the coast, low to mid-50s with rain and wind. High wind watches again for tomorrow. I-5 mid-50s, rain and breezy conditions. We'll see some gusts up near 25, 30 miles an hour. Central and eastern Oregon, mostly cloudy, just a stray shower there. And then for the Cascades, rain and snow. For the gorge, we'll see a few more light showers there too. Highs there in the upper 40s and low 50s. Take a look at this 7-day forecast. And we're in the low to mid-50s for the next couple of days. By Sunday, 57, and then it's low 60s going into next week, and we'll stay mild for much of next week. We'll watch for rain chances as we start to approach next Thursday, but a nice little dry stretch for us. It's going to feel like springtime.
Yeah, that's going to be so nice, except for skiers, but
yeah, looking forward to it.
Spring skiing, right?
Spring skiing.